Hi everyone and welcome back. My name is Bukola. In today's video, I will be showing you a tutorial on how to request for the duplicate of your health card and tax code. That's your Tessera Sanitaria oppure il Codice Fiscale. How you can do it online on the Agenzia delle Entrate website. But before I continue this video, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, turn on the bell as well so that you can be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you. So the first thing you want to do is to go to the Agenzia delle Entrate website. That's the www.agenziadellenentrate.gov.it. That's .gov.it. But if you can't remember their website's address, you can simply go to Google and just type Agenzia delle Entrate. So after doing that, you have to log in. You can log in with your Spid. So I'll go ahead now to log in with my Spid. So now that I'm logged in, I'll have to accept the processing of my data. So this is actually compulsory before you can do anything on the Agenzia delle Entrate website. So after doing that, you click on Servizi per. So it's going to bring you to this page where you have to choose the service you want. So I'll go ahead to click Richiedere, that is to request or ask. So I'll click Richiedere. So here you can see that there are different services here. I'm going to go ahead to click Duplicato della Tessera Sanitaria o del tesserino di Codice Fiscale, which is the duplicate of your health card or your tax code. That's your tax code card. So here it's giving you the information on giving you information about the service you are requesting for. It's saying the service allows you to request the duplicate of the health card, which is also the national service card, Carta Nazionale dei Servizi, and it's also your tax code card. So how you can request for it online. It's also telling you, it's saying that through the service, only one duplicate request is allowed for the same person in a year. It says that it isn't necessary to request the reissue of your Tessera Sanitaria when it's close to expiring. So when it's about to expire, you don't need to ask for a duplicate because your new card will be sent to your home address automatically. And the reasons you can request for the duplicate of your Tessera Sanitaria should be in case of theft, that's if it was stolen or misplaced, and also for technical replacements in case the microchip there isn't working anymore. So with that being said, I have to choose the reason I'm requesting for the duplicate of my tessera sanitaria. The first one says furto or smarrimento. Furto means theft, that's if if it has been stolen, or smarrimento, that's you've lost it, you've misplaced it. And the second one says sostituzione tecnica, that's for technical substitution. So I will just go ahead to click furto or smarrimento. So what it's saying here is that for the tessera sanitaria card holders, the request for the duplicate involves the automatic deactivation of your last card. So if you request for this card, if you request for the duplicate, the old one won't be valid anymore. So you have to think about it. Is either if you click conferma, that means you're confirming the request for your duplicate card, and that involves the deactivation of your old tessera sanitaria. And if you click annulla, it means you're canceling it. Okay, so you can choose the one you want. So if you really want your tessera sanitaria, if you want the duplicate, you go ahead to click conferma. So we've come to the end of this video. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section, or you can send me an email. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next upload. Kindly subscribe to this channel. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye bye. Ciao.